All right, we are at Little Mulberry Park. We're gonna go try to tackle this trail. This is the one that we came to the day that it was snowing really heavy in Georgia, and we only made it a short distance before we got froze out. So
we left before it started snowing.
Or yeah, well, not before it started freezing.
No, not before it started freezing.
Did you doot?
I don't remember. Yeah, I think it did. It ain't really doot.
So we're gonna see how far we can get. This is Little Mulberry, what I call the other side. This is the side with the big lake. We're about to get up, to the map, and I'll show you what I mean. There's a lot of people here today. I'm not a fan of having a lot of people around. It makes me paranoid.
Well,
because every time there's like lots of people around, bad things happen. People don't know how to behave. All right, hold on. So this is where we are. The Hog Mountain Rd entrance. And this is where we're about to go walk. So the trail we're doing goes all the way around this lake. It takes a minute, especially when you're me. So, yeah, let's see. I wanted to see if I could figure out which trail it is. I think that it is the east. No, it's not. The Miller Loop, maybe? Yeah. Here it is. So there's the red one. This is the one we're doing.
That is 2.2 miles long.
Yes, it's this one right here. The others would kill me. Well, at least that East Mulberry one would.
This is a short one, but it's like steep.
So the pond trail, well, that's at the other side. So this is the side that I usually walk. It's the fence road side. And this is the trail that I almost died on. And it had to be life flighted out. Not really.
Life flighted.
I had to be go-karted out. I really genuinely thought I was having a heart attack that day. In the middle of the hottest part of the summer. And I decided to go and just, hey, let's see where this goes. And I was by myself.
What is this do?
Because I do that. I make just spur of the moment decisions that are awesome.
Oh, I thought you were going to say bad decisions.
No, never.
Well, crap.
I just, make decisions that sometimes don't end well for me.
Why'd you point the camera at me when you said that?
Oh, goodness, you are not one of those. You remember when we came here last time, the lake was freezing.
Yeah, not anymore.
I know, I can't wait to see.
Melted.
It's melted. The lake is melting. Oh, no.
Which is really weird because yesterday it was freezing.
Right?
And tonight.
It's that Georgia weather.
And midweek, we're going, our high is 38, our low is like 17.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good Lord, there's a lot of people.
Yep, see, goodness. This is why I want to live up in the mountains. I want to get away from big old crowds. Trail closed.
Yeah, see how it's working out.
Danger, Will Robinson, danger. And we're just going to walk right into it.
Yep. That's okay.
That's how we do. That's how we do.
We're just following the crowd.
I'm not following the crowd. I'm making stupid decisions all on my own.
That's right. Which way are we going? Right?
Well, I usually go out to this dock first and just do a quick once around.
Oh.
So let's do that.
Can't ruin that,
so pretty.
It's very windy after those storms, wasn't it?
Yeah. I love it though. All right. Okay. I have to point the camera down so I don't get strangers' faces.
You're going to be pointing that camera down a lot today.
That's all right. Look. Look at the trees.
Oh, that flooded up a little bit over here. See how far it is up on the bank?
Yes, I do.
We had bad storms this morning.
Oh, man. It was horrible. It woke us up. Well, it didn't wake us up. Aiden woke us up.
Yeah.
Because Aiden decided he's been watching the newest season of Cobra Kai. He started it at midnight last night. And he decided to stay up until 5 o'clock in the morning watching that. Which, I don't blame him. I get it. It's a good show.
Ain't that good.
It is that good. I promise. It is really good. Anyway. So he came in, busted in our room. Look at that tree.
Huh? Oh.
He busted in our room last night, or this morning at 5 o'clock, and he was like, something is slamming against my window.
It's the poltergeist tree.
We don't have any trees on that side of the house. We only have trees on the side of the house next to our, I can't turn the, give me just a second. We're going to stand here so I can show that. All right, so it's flooded. Anyway, we only have trees on our bedroom side of the house, and that's away from Aiden's side.
There's another person.
It's okay. And so it was the wind. Long story short, the wind was insane. I put up a video on my Facebook. I'm going to put it up on TikTok and Instagram too today, but I just quickly threw it up there this morning so y'all could see like how bad the storm was, the wind and the rain.
Oh, didn't we walk down that one and it just ran into the road up there?
Yes, it was. That sucks.
Yeah.
It's not one of the good ones. That's all flooded. That is not usually a pond. Look at that.
It is today, homie.
Oh, look.
This was frozen last time we came.
It was frozen. It sure was.
It's still a little chilly out here, but it ain't too bad. It's just
How are your ears?
Oh, they're fine. It's just windy.
Look at that.
These rocks are stuck.
Yeah. That wind was heavy last night.
I know. Slammed right into that concrete and it stayed there. Oh, somebody
got some. Look at that.
This is the rock climbing wall. It's very short, but if you slip, you get wet.
All right. I love this park. I love Little Mulberry and Harbin's.
I like Harbin's.
You don't like this one?
I don't know.
You don't
I don't even
remember
think
it?
we got it this far last time, did we?
But before that, we came and walked the entire thing. This is the trail that we brought all of the kids on.
That's up to the bank.
Yeah. This is the trail we brought all the kids on with us because Clara wanted to show it to us.
Oh.
And Catherine had to keep pulling you back down off of the trails that went up into the woods. And she was freaking out because she was afraid you were going to get hurt.
Wasn't that all of them?
No, it's just this one.
Oh. We don't need to go up there, do we?
I'm trying to just show, like,
man, it really
how flooded it is. You know what? This is the test of that. So at the end of this.
Oh, there's the thing that said I was going to pee in.
Oh. At the end of this dock, it's usually completely dry and out past like these little weeds here. It's dry in them.
I remember this one. Remember? I said, there's your porta potty or something like that.
And look, these are not dry anymore.
Yep. It's not really wet either.
But it's much further up here than it normally is.
Moist.
Okay.
We're getting swept up in a tornado again.
There's my swamp.
It's not really, it's just flooded.
But it looks swampy.
Yeah, it does look swampy.
I'm a total ogre. I love swamps.
Oh.
It's my favorite part going into Tybee, you know.
Yeah.
The swamps and where all the murloc huts are at. Look. So, last time when we came here, we came down here, and I have a video up on my socials of this.
This is where it was frozen.
That was
right?
Complete ice.
And it wasn't that much.
You know, and it was not that deep. It was like a trickle.
Yeah.
But not today.
Now, don't forget you're still wearing sock shoes. Huh?
I don't care.
No, I'm saying don't slip.
Oh. Look.
We're going to have to get you some hiking shoes.
Yeah. I appreciate some hiking boots.
Or something better than that crap. I mean, you got walking shoes. I don't know why you wore those.
Because I didn't want to get them dirty.
Oh, my God. I mean, that's what they're for.
But I enjoy my
Those
walking
are your
shoes.
regular shoes. Yeah.
And I want to keep them in pristine condition. So I've already worn out the bottoms of them, which is what I was told to do with them.
So they're expendable now.
No, they're not, because they're still good and they're still pretty.
Oh.
You see him?
Did you hear my knee? Wow. I'm some of them crinkle cut fries. What is that? That's a blob thing going across the sky right there.
Where?
Right there.
The cloud?
No, that's a plane.
Oh.
Or a drone.
It's a plane, goober.
Oh, well.
We're just not used to seeing them anymore.
No.
It's really scary when you go back to Stockbridge and you see the planes and they're like about to hit the roofs of the houses.
That's because it's right next to Hartsville.
Oh, look.
What?
Excuse me, let me get up here.
Okay, you get up there, girl. You get up there. That's pretty. I like that.
Oh, I wish we could get down there.
Yeah, that's what I like about the other park is they don't stop you from getting into places. This one is kind of, you can look, but you can't walk on it. Okay.
Now, I do love this park, but this is awful that we can't go down there. But maybe it's because this stuff looks stable.
No, I'd be all
and
over
it's
that.
not.
Nope,
Maybe
I don't care.
it's a safety thing.
Yeah. It's a liability thing.
Yeah. That's what I said.
They don't really care if you get hurt. They just don't want to be blamed for it.
And then over here, it comes into, it's just calm. It's like rushing to get over there. And then it gets over there, and it's calm. And it's like, we made it. Yes, I am a dweeb. But I am okay with that.
You will pay with. Somebody's stalking you.
Okay, so we have to stand here for just a second and wait just a minute.
There's a trail right there. You can get down there.
Oh, you can. Huh. That's really...
You ain't gonna do that.
I'm about to do it. What? But I want to show you over here, that way. There is a tunnel of trees, and I love when the trees come over each other at the top and they make like a arch. Okay. Okay. Come here. We're gonna get a picture together. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that so cool?
That's your way to the Bat Cave. Bruh.
Okay. Johnnie.
Huh?
Oh, let me get a picture. And then we're gonna come down here. Come on.
Well, I can already tell you you're not gonna get too far in those because it's all wet back there.
We want to go
But
that
you
way.
can go over here.
But what happens if you fall in?
Well, I'll be wet.
I think I'm more scared of stepping on a dang snake.
They probably are starting to come out.
Ha ha, we got down here. Ha ha ha. Your fence cannot hold me out.
Well, they literally have a trail that goes up that way. It's just really muddy over there.
Okay, you snakies, you stay down there where you're at. You don't come out.
That's the one good thing about Georgia. We got all kinds of snakes. We got rattlers, we got copperheads, we got...
Y'all just pretend like I'm not here.
We got, what else we got? Oh, it goes up that way.
It does, but it's like completely washed out. I can't do that. You have your boots on.
Yeah, let me see.
I can't. So my little feetsies.
No, I'm saying it goes up this way, honey. You see?
Yeah.
It doesn't go across the water.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have to. I'm just saying you can.
I'm kind of nervous that I'm going to step on a snake's head and it's going to be mad.
You don't step on a snake's head.
Huh? If I had my boots on, it wouldn't be a problem.
Well, yeah.
But they can get right through these things.
Yeah.
And I die.
Yeah. We don't want that.
And I didn't come out to die today.
No. I don't want them to air will lift you out of here again.
Yeah, I don't need to be life flighted out of this park.
They get you stuck in a tree up there. I can't go anywhere without my nose running.
My nose is running too. So I'm a lot of scared of snakes and spiders and other things that go bump in the night.
I ain't never heard a spider go bump in the night.
I have.
Or a snake.
I have.
Ooh, look at that little waterway.
So, yeah. I need like really good, thick hiking boots before I go traipsing off into
You can get snake boots.
like these woods, like this.
Or somebody walking.
Yeah, I know.
You can get snake boots.
Okay. Like, are they like snake proof, or are you
Yes,
telling me like they're made of snake and so the snakes won't bite them?
They're snake proof. They can't get their fangs through them.
Oh.
They go up to your calf.
Oh. I have fat calves.
They're very expensive.
They probably don't make them for me. That's for skinny people.
They do. They make them for men, so I'm sure you could.
Well, just because they're a man doesn't mean they have fat calves.
They come in different sizes. I think they just strap around your leg like a brace. Some of them. Oh, I saw some that did that on Amazon, but you can go to like any.
I know my other fat ladies understand what I'm saying. Ugh.
Ow.
Don't bump into me.
This was my space.
pretty. Hey, wait, I gotta get a picture. All right. All right, all right, all right.
Boy.
What?
Why are there so many people?
It's slippery.
Slippery?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're wearing those. It ain't slippery on me.
So this, when we were here last time, you and Mary and Clara went down there.
Yeah.
Do you remember now?
No. Probably. I mean, it seems like something I would do. Oh, I'm about to break my phone.
So they have benches throughout the park so that you can rest. And I like when they have benches at certain places to sit down and see what the view is and see if it's worth the sit. This one is nice.
I can walk down there.
Yeah, no. Let's go. There was like a There was a trail, wasn't there?
Yeah, I told you. That's got to be the one we walked down, right?
Possibly. Woo, it is soft. He's holding the back of my bra.
So you don't fall.
I know why you're doing it.
The leaves are slippery. That's a little bit more.
Can you fix it now?
I don't know. Did I mess it up?
Okay, there we go. Yeah, look at that. So beautiful. See, and there's a lot less people down here.
Because they're all behind us.
They're not coming down here.
No.
Because they're scared.
Of snacks.
You're afraid. Ooh. Ooh.
What?
They're afraid.
Freezing?
No, they're afraid.
Oh, of snakes?
They're scaredy cats.
Well, they don't look like they're scaredy cats. You see all this trash over here?
Those are different people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, good Lord.
Me?
Yeah.
You know I'm off balance. I wobble and bobble and all kinds of stuff. He's pushing me up the hill.
Oh, somebody spit right there.
Hey, did I step in it?
No.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. There's a lot of shade here.
Yep, that's a good thing in the summertime.
Yeah. Kind of chilly in the not summertime.
But
There's
that
another clearing right here, see?
I see.
You got all kind of clearings over here. You don't need to knock any trees down.
You're right. Well, I was just talking about knocking down the dead trees. Get off of my case.
Water.
You won't like me when I'm angry.
You're making me dizzy. Dizzy, oh.
Woo. I'm dizzy now.
Well, that didn't take much.
Huh?
So that didn't take much.
It doesn't. Okay. Oh! There was a rock in the road. This is my little fur ball.
What?
These are my little fur ball.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Don't touch it. What's it called? A cat's breath? A cat's tail?
A dead cat.
A dead. Oh.
picnic table. Trees.
It's just a random picnic table.
Warning, don't sit here.
I would, and there's a trash can.
Yeah.
I would come out here and eat Subway right there.
Yep. Wow. Don't feed the bears.
I'm gonna feed the bear so I can pet it.
You know, if you feed a bear, they have to kill it.
I actually had a nightmare about getting mauled by a bear last night.
If you feed the bear, you have to kill it.
I'm not feeding the bear. I'm not petting the bear either, really, especially after I got mauled last night.
Yeah.
It's pretty gruesome. All I was doing was trying to be friendly, trying to pet the baby.
Like, you dummy, don't pet the bear.
The bear didn't like it.
No, I imagine he wouldn't.
It was a mean bear.
Yeah, most of them are. Although I did see a video of this black bear that was, its baby was in trouble or something, and it came to this dude's house and got him.
Yes, I've seen
he
it.
had to go rescue the baby.
So this is the trail that Johnnie went up when we had the kids with us. And Catherine freaked out because she got scared for him. She didn't know what was going to happen. And I didn't want to come up the trail and leave Mary and Catherine down there.
These are actual trails, though. Let's see.
I know, but she loves you. She's your daughter, and she was scared you were going to get hurt.
Because I'm old.
Maybe.
Didn't y'all walk up here?
We did not. Clara did.
Oh.
Clara will do anything. She'll go anywhere. She ain't scared of nothing. Look at that.
I knew somebody did. I know it didn't just...
Yeah, Clara will
Look at
follow
that.
you anywhere.
Look at the cliff right there.
And there he goes.
Yeah.
Did you almost bite it?
Yeah.
You better be careful. This is what he does. So he trails off. And literally, I mean, he goes and either finds trails or he makes trails all on his own. Can't take him anywhere.
I'm not going far.
You're fine. Yeah, so I could just like bring a blanket and come sit right here and be perfectly happy for hours and hours and just write, take pictures as the day changes around me. Yeah, this is an oasis right here. And what's really cool is not a lot of people are coming back here. They might think that it's like a maintenance trail because it's not marked or anything. He was all the way up that hill. I said, you are all the way up that hill. Look at where he is. There he is. What did you find?
The trail goes way back. I don't know where it's at.
Where are you going?
Right down there.
Okay, here we go.
What?
I love how you're like stopping to see if I fell in.
wonder where it does end.
I don't know. Look at that big tree that fell up there, though.
Yeah. I'm sure that's the strenuous trail.
Oh, positive.
The one that's like 5 miles long.
Yes. The one that I'd have to be life flighted out of.
Yeah.
I'd die.
We'd freeze to death. I figured it would have had a trail that came back down here somewhere, but I didn't see it.
I'd probably make one as I rolled down the hill. So I didn't have breakfast.
You just said you had
I
breakfast.
didn't. Well, it was
Protein
my
shake?
first meal of the day. But I slept until 12.
Yeah.
Because we didn't go back to bed until 6.
Oh, yeah.
I had barbecue pulled pork
Oh.
on Dave's toast. Ooh. With pita chips and hummus.
And a shot of whiskey.
And now I'm having a trail snack. So lovely.
What?
You want to?
I had some before we left.
No sugar for you? Are you serious?
I had a banana and I pack it up.
Here you go.
Can't wait to get my German Shepherd.
So it can do that?
Oh. So I can walk them on this trail. He's gonna go everywhere with us.
Mm-hmm.
If that's okay with you.
That's fine with me. She can go everywhere we go.
Huh?
She can go everywhere we go.
She.
And mine is going to be a girl.
Oh, well, we gotta start with one.
Huh? It's okay if she's older than him. Honey.
What?
Do you see what I see?
Yeah, another trail.
Guess
I
where?
bet that one goes.
I'm going.
I bet it goes down here. And then you have the option to get off the big trail.
Yep. Look.
Yeah, maybe.
I bet you're right. That trail goes up that hill right there and around.
Yep. Oh, is that a bridge? I'm gonna see a bridge. I'm gonna see that bridge.
Oh, because this is the path. Okay. This is the path that cuts around to the other side of Mulberry. So if you come down right here.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
No. I mean, we can go around right here. I mean, you can do it the hard way.
Dude, I sunk right into that. Okay, so where
Ooh.
they're coming from right there.
Mario.
If you go out here and take a right, that takes you to the other side of Mulberry.
Well, I don't want to go to the other side of Mulberry.
I'm just telling you, so you can get your directional bearings.
Yeah, well,
Buddy?
that still don't tell me nothing. I'm horrible with directions.
I know.
Had I kept going, I would have got lost in the woods.
I'm the one that's good with directions.
Why?
Why? So you can go down there.
But you got a bridge right there.
Oh, yeah, but the bridge takes you over the water. This takes you to it.
Yeah, but I could have just walked down here without them putting this here. All right?
Whatever, dude.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, well,
Whatever. Don't turn us into a fight.
because you'll lose.
You'll walk out wet.
I'll start pelting you with rocks.
Wow.
Nobody said I had to play fair.
Don't do me any favors.
Oh, shut up.
Go. You could have walked on the leaves. Oh, there's stairs right there. Look, there's stairs. Is that stairs?
No.
I don't think that's stairs. It's a wall. You should know better than that.
Huh.
What? Huh, what? Say something.
Something.
You smell like vanilla.
I should.
Been eating vanilla.
Huh?
Been bathing in vanilla.
I have on bonfire.
Oh, why does bonfire smell like vanilla?
Why you keep bumping me? Like, this road
Don't
ain't
go that
wide
way.
enough for both of us. Okay. Hold on. Because you have to see this. Just.
Phenomena.
I just want to come and stay out here all day and just write. This is such a perfect place to just sit and write. Can you make me a promise?
Me?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Depends on what it is.
Can we come out here one day, next week or the next week, and bring lunch and come and just sit so I can just sit right here and write? You can go do your trails while I do that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to hold you to that.
Okay.
Okay. Say that again.
What if I get lost on the trails?
I don't know. All I can
There's a
do
bird nest.
is tell you to take your phone. And if you need help, call 911.
Oh, wow.
Well, I can't come get you.
Well,
Because how am I going to get you out?
you come find me and then you tell me how to get out.
There's a trail. That's a long trail. I bet that goes back to the Little Mulberry too.
Probably. No horses. You have to get off the trail.
You beat me to it, you brat. You're so rude. Step back.
Wow, you're just demanding, aren't you?
Yes.
Good Lord.
Why are you new?
You're missing all these photo opportunities of bird crap on the floor. On the
No,
ground.
I don't want pictures of bird crap on the ground.
Oh.
Oh, good.
So we came around that way? Where do we come from?
No.
Where do we go?
Cotton Eye Joe?
Yeah.
Yes, we were supposed to stay on this trail, but we went on the other side of those posts right there.
I'm so sorry.
We went off the trail.
You know exactly where I come back from Hog Mountain Park.
That way.
I knew it was this way. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm
You're
completely
welcome.
lost myself. I have no idea.
I think if you take this way, it's a lot far. I think it's like a 2-mile
Yes.
stretch. Okay.
Yes, it's a lot
Yes.
shorter that way.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If I'm lost on a concrete trail, I'm sure as hell gonna get lost
Are
in
you
the.
serious? It is literally a loop around the lake.
But what if I get lost and I'm just going in a circle, honey?
Well, then you would eventually find me again.
Oh,
Hello?
but not in the mountains. In the mountains, I'm just going.
I don't know. You know what? All I can tell you is leave breadcrumbs.
Then the bears are just gonna eat it.
You can take little yellow markers and like little ribbons and tie them around the trees.
Who's gonna pay for that?
You.
No. You just want me to die. You
Oh
want
my
that
gosh.
insurance money.
I do not want you to die, and I don't want your insurance money.
I bet you ain't gonna turn it down when I do die.
Oh my gosh, of course not. I have 4 children to take care of. I need to up it before that happens.
Oh. Damn.
Honey, I don't want you to die at all. I don't imagine I'm probably going to be here much longer after you go.
Where are you going?
I'm coming with you.
Walmart? Look at that leaf. It sounds like somebody walking.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
I'm going to sing with them sexy songs.
Okay, quit talking for a minute.
Oh.
Can you go tell that man to be quiet?
Kick him down the hill.
Oh, it feels so nice.
It's lake winds, honey. It's cold. I was fine until I got over here. And the sun was out. Where did the sun go?
If you've been with us for a while, now is the time to take that shot.
What? Ooh, the sun's coming back out. Put the glass down.
So, I can't tell you how many times I have probably almost fallen into this lake since we've been walking this trail.
I mean, it's a pretty wide trail. Can't wait to go to Duke's Creek and
Oh
see
my
how
gosh.
that works
It's my equilibrium.
out. Then why do you keep going
I
over that
can't-
way, huh?
I don't realize I'm doing it.
Good Lord.
I just kind of trail.
I like
just-
gravity.
I just kind of just go over that way and then not lose my balance. And thank God for Johnnie. He's always on high alert for that. And he just at the last minute reaches out and grabs me and pulls me back.
Couldn't save you at Duke's.
You tried though.
I did try. Uh-oh. I'm about to get run over.
Yeah, because it's so pretty.
Well, it's pretty in other areas.
I know, but I want to stop and enjoy all the pretty areas. You're about to love this.
What?
I'll get ready to take a shot.
Huh? Oh my God.
Found a bench.
In loving memory of our friend Johnnie Arnold. Okay.
Okay. What is it?
Nothing.
What? Guess what I'm gonna do?
What'd you say about Mountain Dew?
Guess what I'm gonna do?
Oh my God. It's too cold out here.
He said it's too cold to skip. Okay.
Uh-oh.
She's running. What's the difference in her running and me skipping?
Well,
You better be careful with your words.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hi. Oh man, there's people behind me. I
People everywhere, cause
can't skip with people behind me.
there's a
There's one down. Oh.
literally.
Oh, don't take her out. Oh my gosh. Lord have mercy.
I bet he drives like he rides that bicycle.
This man just came around on the
Dumbass.
bicycle and almost took this woman and her dog out because he just had to get around her. PG-13.
That is a PG-13
It
word.
is not for me.
Oh.
I would not be okay with my 13-year-old saying that.
No, but not saying it.
Yep, so don't.
It's in movies all the time.
I don't care.
PG-13 movies.
I'm not listening to what Hollywood tells me is okay for kids. Are you serious?
I wouldn't go on that route with it. Shit. Oh, there's more bird crap. Oh. We've been 1.2 miles. Is that what that's saying?
I don't know. Probably. Yeah, because we're about to come up on the dam, and that's the halfway point.
You can't say that. PGR 13.
D-A-M, not D-A-M-N.
Oh, if you spell it, you say it.
Okay, well, I'm going to stop for a second.
Oh,
'Cause I
again?
need these people to get around me.
Okay.
Look, come over here.
That's where that chick was like tripping out. Where that chick was tripping.
Where?
Up here on that hill.
No, that was Black Rock Lake.
Oh, I knew that. I was just seeing if you knew.
Yeah, I know. There
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna skip. Okay. I'm gonna skip. Skippy. This is one of those
How'd you
low cut plunge bras. The girls are doing good to stay in there just walking.
How'd you get the beans above the Frank?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I enjoy the skip.
I enjoy it. Yep.
It is fun.
It's fun.
There's the dam. D-A-M. Or it sucks that we're almost at the end.
No, we're not.
We are.
We just hit the 1.2, 1.25 mile or whatever.
Yeah, but I know like everything that's to come up past the dam.
Oh, there went my back.
So we're done with like the pretty stuff.
Oh, then what's the point? You keep going.
Well, we need to get back to the car.
Oh, yeah. Guess that would do it.
Those boards say your mind will
Collapse.
believe everything you feed it.
Oh, yeah, but those boards are lying. Hey, there's a lake there.
You're a punk.
Hey, you're a punk.
Get over there.
Hey, there's a log.
Climb up that.
You climb up that.
When we get over to the dam,
I'm not jumping off.
will you roll down it?
No.
Do it for the video, man.
No, I don't think so. I'm already freezing to death. I don't think I want to wind up in the water down there, honey.
It doesn't look that bad.
What?
It doesn't look that cold from here.
Oh, well, you can do it. I'll video. I'll do it when I get my Android.
Will you? You'll roll down that hill with your Android?
No, I'll video when I get my Android. Get rid of this stupid iPhone. I swear to God.
What?
Why are we sitting down again?
Because I want to see this view.
Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah, all that muddy water.
So? Why don't you have any more pockets?
Because you took all my pockets.
Because I put candy in them. Show me. Show me what you got. You like that one?
No.
Skinny? What do we got?
I got some kind of black bear
Let's see.
fruit roll up
We got fruit rolls.
and gummies,
And gummies.
but not the good gummies. Give me this. I ain't sharing my gummies with nobody.
I don't want your gummies. I had my own gummies.
Not good ones. Look at that. That's like coming out of a drain pipe over there. They ain't got no trees guarding from wind over here, do they?
Oh, that's nice.
That is nice, huh? That's.
So I really, really, really like the cold and I like the wind. And it's probably because I have
What the hell?
270 layers of skin.
They're doing witchcraft over here. Oh my God. I think the wind went through my pants and straight up my butthole.
No.
Pretty sure.
Open your mouth so I can hear it whistle out.
Turned my fart into a burp. That's what it did. Yep. A good day to go fishing. Oh my God, I got snot coming out my nose.
Take a shot, y'all.
You're mean to me. I thought you loved me.
I do love you.
Honey, how long are we gonna stand up here and get trampled by all this wind? Why? Good Lord.
You had a coat to wear.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know it was gonna be this. Darn.
You
Where's
said
the tornado.
if you just prepared
I prepared.
and you didn't bring it out of the
I
car.
didn't bring it.
You're a brat.
But it was warm when we got here. What the? Why am I fighting this?
I'm tired. All right, let's get you off of here. I'm so crying, and my tears are freezing to my cheeks.
This is ridiculous.
Look at my eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh.
This is absolutely insane.
I love it.
No, you don't.
I do.
You're just pulling a show.
I am not. I really enjoy that.
Oh my God, my hat just almost took off.
I thought the cattails are supposed to help with
Not
that.
when you're in 500 mile per hour winds. Good Lord, even they got a limit.
Oh my
Good
gosh.
Lord.
I'm crying. It's like the wind is so bad it's pushing my foot out from under me.
Yeah, I'm having to lean over to keep from getting knocked over.
He's trying to knock my feet out from under me. Oh my gosh. He really loves it secretly, y'all.
If you don't come on. Good Lord.
This has been the best thing ever.
What?
This has been the best thing ever. And when I get around to that swing over there,
Are you gonna stop again?
I'm gonna see the view from that swing.
Why?
Yes, I can. Oh my gosh.
I think you're doing this crap on purpose.
Maybe.
You're trying to kill me.
I'm not trying, you're not gonna die. You can't die from bitching and moaning.
Well, I can die after.
When I push you down the hill.
Look at my hand.
Oh, put it in your pocket.
That's what I'm doing. Well, that's what I'm doing, don't you know?
You poor thing.
I can't put it in my pocket.
You have pants pockets.
No.
I'm gonna get a picture. Move.
Oh, where am I going? Oh. Damn it, woman. You better be glad I love you.
Oh, it's trying to blow me back down the hill.
Well. You know I'm gonna be cranking that heat up when we get in that car.
I know. You think this will hold my fat butt? Are you not gonna get on?
Nope.
Really?
Yep.
You're missing out.
No, I'm not. The only thing I'm missing out is sitting on that cold ass
It's not cold.
metal and cursing my phone.
Can you get out of my view?
Oh my God.
Thank you.
That should be the only thing that you want in your view.
Vroom.
Was that the same?
He is just a whining and a complaining. All right, how do we get down?
I don't know. The wind just threw my snot into my lip.
Oh, gross. Well, you can have some gummies now and have a sweet and salty snack.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad the wind picked up as we're. All you're gonna do is fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
You're gonna fall.
I'm not gonna fall. I'm here. Look, you're paranoid now, huh?
You got a lot of gray.
I do, I know. I told you, I knew I was going to. That's why I wanted to just let it grow out and be natural.
That's pretty.
Thank you. I think
I like
so
it.
too.
You're gonna go platinum with your. So I got a lot of grays.
Not as many as I do. Yours are all in your beard.
I got them in my hair too, just not. I got them mostly on the side.
Oh, look at that. I have 8% left of my battery and my phone's gonna die. But we are right here at the car. I made it. My heart is pounding.
2.2 miles.
2.2 miles with incline here and there. I told Johnnie if it had been in the summer and the heat, this probably would have killed me.